Okay, what we have is our usual police cruiser. It's been well maintained. Unfortunately, the miles are not showing up, but they will be correct on the title due to its service records for the city. There is a check engine light on its evaporative emissions. The car starts up, runs nice, it's very clean. I think it was a police canine unit. There is no spare tire. You can hear the air compressor running in the background. But it's very smooth, very quiet. No ticks, no knocks. Walk around one more time. Some tape on the roof. And then we come in here, we'll do the trunk release. Come back out again. So you see the car. And you're going to see exactly what you get in the trunk. A bunch of old metal mounts as well. So there will be some screw holes from where the mounts used to be. It is a flex fuel car. The tires are okay condition. Here it is, police cruiser.